guys, so welcome back to World of Cuties. So today we are gonna be unboxing labubu. So it's kind of fake. I found it fake in the place, but I really want to know if it is real or fake. So let's see it. It's the as you can. It's fake also. We cannot open it fully. So let's open it. Let's unbox the cover. And it's so hard to unbox it. What did I get? Did I get loyalty? Loyalty. I really wanted loyalty. That's also luck, but loyalty also I liked it. See, it's so cute. I never thought it would be this much real. It looked real.